Eighth question, cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta divided by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta divided by sin theta equals to 3. So in the LHS, let's substitute the cos 3 theta formula. So cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, so divided by cos theta plus next sin cube theta plus here sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by sin theta. Let's simplify the numerator. Here cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta is minus 3 cos cube theta. Next here minus of minus plus 3 cos theta divided by cos theta plus similarly here sin cube theta minus 4 sin cube theta, so is, first of all I am writing the 3 sin theta. So sin cube theta minus 4 sin cube theta is minus 3 sin cube theta divided by sin theta. Now from the numerator we can take the cos theta formula, cos theta common. So take the cos theta common. Next here also take the sin theta common. So 3 minus 3 sin square theta divided by sin theta. So now cos theta, sin theta cancel. Now it is equals to minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 plus 3 minus 3 sin square theta. So now take the minus 3 common from the two terms. So minus 3 common. So here cos square theta and here sin square theta. Next add the numbers, 3 plus 3 is 6. So minus 3 into 1 because it is identity plus 6. So it is equals to minus 3 plus 6. So it is equals to 3 RHS. So hence proved. Ninth bit first question, cos theta whole power 6 minus sin theta whole power 6 equals to cos 2 theta bracket of 1 minus 1 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. So just I am modifying the LHS. Here cos theta whole power 6 can write as a cos square theta whole cube minus sin square theta whole cube. So now here we can apply one formula, a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b means cos square theta minus sin square theta is a minus b. Next a square, so that means cos square theta whole square plus ab cos square theta into sin square theta plus b square, so sin square theta whole square. So then it is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta is exactly equals to cos 2 theta. So here we have to apply a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. So that means here a square, here b square is there. Next to 2ab required. So to get the 2ab, what I am doing, this cos square theta into sin square theta can write as a 2 cos square theta sin square theta minus cos square theta into sin square theta. See, 2 cos square theta into sin square theta minus cos square theta into sin square theta equals to plus cos square theta into sin square theta. So now it is equals to cos 2 theta in the bracket here a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is equals to a plus b whole square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square. Next, what is the remaining term? Minus cos square theta into sin square theta. So it is equals to cos 2 theta. So in the bracket it is a one of the identity, so its value is a 1. So 1 square minus, here what I am doing to get the required answer RHS, so 1 by 4 into 4. What will happen? 4 cancel, it is equals to 1. So 1 by 4 into 4 cos square theta right in the second place, sin square theta right in the first place. So sin square theta into cos square theta. So it is equals to cos 2 theta, 1 square is a 1 minus 1 by 4 into, see this total answer can write as a 2 sin theta into cos theta whole square. So it is equals to cos 2 theta in the bracket 1 minus 1 by 4 into, say it is a 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta formula. So sin square 2 theta. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. 9th bit second problem, cos a whole power 6 plus sin a whole power 6 equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2a. So first of all, in the LHS, small changes, cos to the power of cos a whole power 6 given, so that value I am writing as a cos square a whole cube plus sin square a whole cube. So do you know a cube plus b cube formula? So a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So apply this formula. So a plus b, so that means cos square a plus sin square a. Next to a square minus ab plus b square. So cos square a whole square. Next to minus cos square a into sin square a plus b square sin square a whole square. So now cos square a plus sin square a is one of the identity, so its answer is 1 into, now observe carefully, a square plus b square. Next we required 2ab. So that is why cos square a whole square plus sin square a whole square. Next I required plus 2ab, so plus 2ab cos square a sin square a, but the above answer will not change. So that is why 2 cos square a sin square a minus 3 cos square a sin square a. See here, 2 cos square a sin square a minus 3 cos square a sin square a is minus cos square a sin square a. See, no changes in the answer. So it is equals to, here we can remove the 1, a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is equals to a plus b whole square. Next to the remaining term is 3 cos square a sin square a. So it is equals to, same here it is our identity, so 1 square minus 3, here 3 can write as a 3 by 4 into 4. Okay, so here 4 cancel, again 3 will come as it is. Next, sin square a write first, cos square a write at second place. So it is equals to 1 square is 1, 3 by 4 into this total answer can write as a 2 sin square a cos square a whole square. So then it is equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 into, it is a sin 2 theta formula. So sin 2a, but square is there. So sin square 2a. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. 10th question, sin 8 theta equals to 8 sin theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. So it is a total product. So to get this answer, let's select the LHS first. So LHS equals to sin 8 theta. So 8 theta I am writing as a sin 2 into 4 theta. So it is equals to, we know very well sin 2 theta formula, otherwise sin 2a formula equals to 2 sin a cos a. So here at the place of a, what is the value? 4 theta is there. So that is why 2 sin a means 4 theta, cos a means 4 theta. Next to, see here cos 4 theta required, here also cos 4 theta came, so don't change anything. Now sin 4 theta, so 2 into sin 4 theta I am writing as a 2 into 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Again same formula, but here at the place of a, what is the value will come? 2 theta will come. So 2 into, already 2 is there, again 2 will come, 2 into sin a means 2 theta, cos a means a value 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Now 2 2s are 4, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. See cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, here also required same values. Okay. Now it is equals to 4 into sin 2 theta formula is 2 into sin theta into cos theta, next to cos 2 theta, next to cos 4 theta. So now 4 2s are 8, sin theta, cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. 11th bit first problem, sin 10 degrees into sin 30 degrees into sin 50 degrees into sin 70 degrees equals to 1 by 16. So we have to show that this total product is equals to 1 by 16. So here in the LHS, the sin 30 degrees answer is 1 by 2. So substitute that. Next to sin 10 degrees into sin 50 degrees into sin 70 degrees. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into sin 10 degrees into sin 50 can write as a sin 60 minus 10 and sin 70 can write as a 60 plus 10. So here 10 is there, so that is why 60 minus 10 here, 60 plus 10. So next to 1 by 2 into sin 10 degrees into sin a minus b formula. So we have one formula, sin a minus b into sin a plus b equals to sin square a minus sin square b. So using this formula, here we can write sin square 60 minus sin square 10 degrees. Now it is equals to 1 by 2 into here sine 10 degrees multiply in inside, but before multiplying, so here sine 10 sine 60 degrees answer is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine square 10 degrees. So 1 by 2 sine 10 degrees into root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 minus sine square 10 degrees. So it is equals to 1 by 2 sine 10 degrees. Let's take the LCM here. 4 3 minus 4 sine square 10 degrees. So it is equals to here 2 into 4 is 8. So 1 by 8 into sine 10 multiply inside. So 3 sine 10 minus 4 sine cube 10. So it is equals to 1 by 8 into 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. It is equals to sine 3a. So sine 3 into a value 10. So 1 by 8 into sine 3 into 10 is 30. So then 1 by 8 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So then it is equals to 1 by 16. So RHS. So hence proved. Second problem, cos 10 degrees into cos 30 degrees into cos 50 degrees into cos 70 degrees is equals to, show that 3 by 16. So in the LHS, one value is, we can substitute, that is cos 30 degrees. So its value is root 3 by 2 into next to cos 10 degrees into cos 50 degrees can write as a cos 60 minus 10, and cos 70 degrees equals to cos 60 plus 10. So it is equals to root 3 by 2 into cos 10 degrees into, so we have a one formula, cos a minus b into cos a plus b equals to cos square b minus sin square a. So use this formula. So then here what will happen, cos square b value is how much, 10, minus sin square a, so a value how much, 60. So next root 3 by 2 into cos 10 degrees into cos square 10 minus sin square 60, so that is root 3 by 4 and whole square. So it is equals to root 3 by 2 into cos 10 into cos square 10 minus root 3 by 4 answer, sorry, root 3 by 4 not, root 3 by 2 whole square. So it is equals to root 3 by 2 into cos 10 into cos square 10 minus root 3 by 2 value is 3 by 4. Now take the LCM. So it is equals to root 3 by 2 into cos 10 into here 4 cos square 10 minus 3 divided by 4. So now root 3 by 2 into cos 10 multiply inside, so 4 cos cube 10 minus 3 cos 10 divided by 4. So here we can apply one formula. Here 2 into 4, 8. So root 3 by 8 into 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Its formula is cos 3a. So 3 into a value 10. So then it is equals to root 3 by 8 into cos 30 degrees. So root 3 by 8 into cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. So 3, 8 to the 16. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. So the 11th question second problem asked in the different way here. So now I am going to prove this. So let's take the LHS first of all. So here LHS equals to cos 10 degrees into cos 50. I am writing as a 60 minus 10, and cos 70 write as a 60 plus 10. So we have a one formula cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So it is equals to cos square B minus sin square A. So apply this formula now. So cos 10 degrees into, so take the bracket here, cos square B, B value how much? So that is 10 minus sin square A. So A value 60 degrees. So here sin 60 value is cos square 10 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. So let's simplify this. Cos 10 into cos square 10 minus 3 by 4. So it is equals to cos 10 into, take the 4 LCM. So here 4 cos square 10 minus 3. So now cos 10 multiply inside. So 4 cos cube 10 minus 3 cos 10 divided by 4. Now it is in the form of 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. It is equals to cos 3A. So cos 3A, 3 into A value 10 divided by 4. So cos 30 by 4. So cos 30 value how much? That is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 2 divided by 4. So then it is equals to root 3 by 8. So hence proved. 11th bit third problem, sin 10 degrees into sin 50 degrees into sin 70 degrees. Then prove that it is equals to 1 by 8. So here in the LHS, sin 10 degrees into sin 50 I am writing as a 60 minus 10, and sin 70 60 plus 10. So here we have a one formula sin A plus B into sin A minus B. It is equals to sin square A minus sin square B. So apply this formula. So sin 10 degrees into, so take the bracket, so sin square 60 minus sin square 10. So then it is equals to sin 10 degrees into sin 60, so it is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 10 degrees. So sin 10 degrees into root 3 by 2 means 3 by 4 minus sin square 10. So now here sin square 10 can write as a by 1. So sin 10, here take the LCM 4, 3 minus 4 sin square 10 degrees. So it is equals to sin 10 into, so better you multiply the sin 10 inside. So it is equals to 3 sin 10 minus 4 sin cube 10 degrees divided by 4 sin cube 10. divided by 4. So it is equals to sine 3 theta. So sine 3 into theta value 10 divided by 4. So sine 30 by 4. So sine 30 is 1 by 2 by 4. So it is equals to 1 by 8. So hence prove. 11th bit, 4th problem. Prove that cos 20 into cos 30 into cos 40 into cos 80 equals to root 3 by 16. So in the LHS we can substitute at the place of cos 30 as a root 3 by 2. Next into cos 20 into here cos 40 write as a 60 minus 20 and cos 80 write as a 60 plus 20. So we have a one formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b equals to cos square b minus sin square a. So then root 3 by 2 into cos 20 into, so take the bracket, cos square b, so cos square b value 20 minus sin square a, so a value 60. So now substitute the root 3 by 2 into cos 20 into cos square 20 minus sin 60, it is equals to root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 by 2 into cos 20 into cos square 20 minus 3 by 4. So now take the LCM here, root 3 by 2 into cos 20 into, so the LCM is 4. So here 4 cos square 20 minus 3. So it is equals to root 3 by 2 into here cos 20 multiply inside. So 4 cos cube 20 minus 3 cos 20 divided by 4. So it is equals to root 3 by 2 into 4 is root 3 by 8 into, so its formula, it is in the formula, that is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a equals to cos 3a. So cos 3 into a value is 20. So it is equals to root 3 by 8 into cos 3 into 20 is 60. So root 3 by 8 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So root 3 into 1, 8 2 is 16. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. 12th problem, if a into sin alpha equals to b into cos alpha, show that a cos 2 alpha plus b sin 2 alpha equals to a. So first in the LHS we have a two formulas. One is cos 2 alpha, which is 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Next to sin 2 alpha formula, 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. In the both formulas we required tan alpha. So that is why, so from the given value here, a sin alpha equals to b cos alpha. From this, sin alpha by cos alpha equals to b by a. Sin alpha by cos alpha, it is equals to tan alpha b by a. So substitute this value in the formula. So it is b by a. So first LHS, what is that? A cos 2 alpha plus b sin 2 alpha. So it is equals to a into cos 2 alpha 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha plus b into sin 2 alpha formula 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. So now take the LCM here. So what is LCM? 1 plus tan square alpha is the LCM. So here a into 1 minus tan square alpha plus 2b tan alpha. So now substitute the tan alpha, that is b by a. So here a into 1 minus tan square alpha means b square by a square plus 2b into tan alpha value b by a divided by 1 plus tan square alpha value is b square by a square. So it is equals to a into, here a square is a LCM, so here a square minus b square plus here 2b square by a divided by here a square plus b square divided by a square. So now here a and square will get cancelled, so then it is equals to a square minus b square divided by a plus 2b square by a square plus b square divided by a square. So it is equals to, here the LCM is a, so a square minus b square plus 2b square divided by a square plus b square divided by a square. So it is equals to here a square minus b square plus 2b square is plus b square divided by a, and the fraction will become reverse, a square by a square plus b square. So both are cancelled, a square a cancel, it is equals to a, so hence proved. Next to same question asked in the different way. So here tan a equals to b by a, then show that a cos 2a plus b sin 2a equals to a. So what is the difference between the two questions? Here instead of alpha he took the capital A, and moreover we solve this 12th problem by taking the tan alpha equals to b by a, and here also given same value, but angle value is different. So here alpha, but here capital A. So answer is same like a 12th problem. 13th bit first problem, tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta minus tan theta equals to, show that tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta into tan theta. And the same question asked in the different way. Here theta value given, but here a value. So at the place of theta he was selected the a, and the question is same as it is. So first I am going to select the tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta can write as a 2 theta plus theta. Now here tan a plus b formula. So tan a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So here a value 2 theta and b value theta. So it is equals to tan 2 theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta. Now this denominator transposed to left side. So then tan 3 theta bracket 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta. So it is equals to tan 2 theta plus tan theta. So now tan 3 theta multiply inside. So tan 3 theta minus tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta into tan theta, it is equals to tan 2 theta plus tan theta. Now these two terms transpose to left side, and this product transpose to right side. So then what will happen? Tan 3 theta, it will become minus tan 2 theta, and it is minus tan theta. It is equals to, it is a negative product, so when you transposing to that side, positive tan theta. So hence proved. 13th bit second problem, prove that tan 9 theta minus tan 5 theta minus tan 4 theta equals to tan 9 theta into tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta. So first I am going to select the tan 9 theta. So tan 9 theta equals to, here we required 5 theta 4 theta, so that is why tan 9 theta can write as a 5 theta plus 4 theta. So it is equals to tan a plus b formula. So tan a plus b, so it is equals, so here a equals to 5 theta and b equals to 4 theta. So then, so tan 5 theta plus tan 4 theta divided by 1 minus tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta. So this denominator transpose to left side. So tan 9 theta bracket of 1 minus tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta. So it is equals to tan 5 theta plus tan 4 theta. So now tan 9 theta multiplying inside, tan 9 theta into 1 tan 9 theta. So tan 9 theta into tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta equals to tan 5 theta plus tan 4 theta. So now transpose these two terms to left side and this product transpose to right side. So here tan 9 theta, so it is both are positive. So when you transposing to left side, tan 5 theta minus tan 4 theta, and this negative product transpose to RHS side. So tan 9 theta into tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta. So hence proved.